Hello everyone, my name is Abdullah Nahian and welcome to my channel Code with Abdullah Nahian. Today I am going to show you how to create a clean, modern and highly professional card hover effect using only the Elementor free version. That means you don't need Elementor Pro version or everything is possible in free version. These effects add smooth effect transition and subtle overlay, instantly elevating the visual quality of a website without any custom code or features. Whether you design service cards, portfolio items, or feature blocks, this technique will give your layout a premium interactive look. Let's get started and build the beautiful hover effect step by step. So before we start, we have to check our demo. So this is our demo. When I move cursor upon this here, yes. This nice effect we can make Elementor free version with few lines of code. So let's start. So I create a new blank page using Elementor. So first click a plus icon and then flashbox, and here we can choose 3 column layout. So from here I can choose this one, okay, and go to advanced, and I can choose margin and margin top like 150 pixel for better adjustment, or we can 180 pixel. Okay, that's fine. Now we need 3 equal columns. So first column there is 25%, we can change to size 33.33%. Second one same for 33.33%. Third one we can choose like 33.33%. Okay, fine. Now we can need another container inside here. Okay, and here plus icon, this inside container we can choose, go to style and go to background type. Here background image, so already I upload 3 images, so I chose this one, select here, and here position center, background display size cover. Okay, and from here we can go to layout and width already 100, that's perfect. Mean height we can choose like 400, we can choose like 450 pixel. Okay, that's great. And here I think it's okay for now, and here we can choose another plus icon and add container. Okay, and so from this one we can choose justify content bottom, that's fine. And here we can choose, go to advanced, and here padding 0. And we don't need overflow, so from here addition options we can choose overflow hidden, that's great. Now click here, go to style, and here we can border radius, for example we can choose 15 pixels, that's perfectly work. Now we can copy this part from here and paste here, then paste. Okay, so here we can choose our image. So click here, go to style and change our second image from here. Then we can choose our third image. Okay, that's great. Now we can need the here, so we can choose here heading. We can choose heading 4. We can duplicate this part for paragraph, so we can choose here this paragraph tag. Okay, and we need our social icon. So for here we can social icons and drag and drop here. Now click here, we can go to style and background overlay. We can choose color like #111, and we can choose opacity fewer like this, something like this. Okay, that's great. Now click here and we go to layout, and we can choose just a content center, align item center, that's great. Go to advanced, from here padding we can choose like padding top 20 pixel, bottom 10 or 15, right 20, left 20, that's great. Now we can choose here name like John Doe, and description, so we can from L if some site for our dummy text, L if some something, yes, L if some. From here we can copy few text. Okay, so you can just copy 2 or 3 lines. Okay, this one copy from here, and here click here and paste. So we can make it 2 lines. So just after content we can just add full stop. Okay, that's great. Now style part, go to here, and here we can choose like Rubik font. So Rubik change, and font weight we can font size 24 pixel. Okay, that's great. Change color to white color. Now here we can go to here, style, text element center. We can choose font family like Rubik font. We can choose Rubik, and here font weight 400, font size like 16 pixel, and line height like 24 pixel. That's great. Change color to white color. Okay, this part done. Now click here our social icons. So from here we go to style, official color to a custom color, and primary color we can background color transparent. Okay, and from here we can choose white color. Okay, that's great. And size like 15 pixel, and spacing like 5 pixel is okay. So here if you check, this is our demo layout part done. Okay, now we can copy this part from here, and here just paste. Okay, oh sorry, we can remove this part from here. Okay, so we can just paste, and actually we don't need this one. So this part done. So we can change now like John Wick, we can like Shenwan. And we can write here like David Wills, for example. Okay, so this part done. Just click on publish from here and preview changes. So this part done. Now we need to our hover part. So for this we can just click here icon here. We can add a class. So for example this icon, sorry, this one, yes, this one we can just like here like team content. Okay, copy this one from here, again click here and change our class to this team content, and here click here and this team content. Okay, this is perfect. Now click here this one. So here we can just okay, team content, we can just team content. Okay, so we can just write here like team overlay. Okay, copy from here, just click here and go to advanced, and here team overlay, and click here this one, advanced team overlay. Okay, click on publish and change here. Okay, if you inspect from here for live code, so easy to understand, I will give you code, don't worry about this. So here first div we have team content. If you check this one, we have our this team content. Yes. Now after inside this another class, our team overlay. So we can copy this class from here. Okay, team overlay. So plus icon dot team overlay as a class. We can just write here position, sorry, position absolute with 100%, left 0, and we can write bottom 0. We can just here write minus as your need. We can just write 115 pixel, 112, I think is okay. Okay, fine. And here we can just write here transition 0.3s. Now okay, copy this color or class, and here we have class like team content. So here team content colon hover, and inside this team overlay we can just write here bottom 0. That's enough. Okay, very nicely. That's few line of code. We can do this very easily with our Elementor premium version. So here just click on inline, just few of lines is enough. Just copy this line from here. So here we have done. If you click here advanced custom CSS, because I use Elementor free version, so we don't put CSS code here. So what I need to put, go to our backend side and here appearance, and then here customize, click here. At the bottom we have options additional CSS. Just click here and paste your code here. That's enough. Just click on publish and again refresh the page. Okay, boom. So all this is part done. And what about mobile? If you check here, yes, our mobile part is also done, and here tablet part, yes, everything is working perfect. So in this video I try to give you how to make a card overlay effect very nicely and easily without few line of code, and of course using Elementor free version. So that's it for today. Hopefully you like it and enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and share with others. So few more video tutorials coming soon. Stay with me. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.